1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, what's up, you guys? Today we are gonna be building a fucking lamp. Oh wait, look, I got this shit on Amazon last night. This shit came at 2 in the morning. It scared the fuck out of my mom. I don't know why they do that. They be delivering packages so freaking early in the morning, but it's okay. The faster the better, right? Look, we got a floor lamp. It looks like this, kind of like a tripod pointing downwards. But on POVs, you guys. I know all my guys work. We got a one packer. So yeah, let's get to the installation. Pretty quick video, you guys. I'm gonna transform this room, and by the end of the series, you guys are gonna fucking love my room. Well, I hope. I'm trying to get a bunch of motivational, not motivational, but just like, cause look, I got my whole setup right. Got a bunch of space. I never had this much space in my fucking life, you guys. But yeah, that's besides the point, you guys. We gotta get this going. Oh, I was gonna drop this on the floor, but this is glass, I think. But yeah, let's get to unboxing. Let's go. Oh, boom. We got this big ass box. Let's unpack this shit. Try to make it a fast ass video, you guys. Ugh, gotta keep the retention rate up, you guys. Oh my god, what the hell? Ooh, it's a little bit hot in here, you guys. All right. Why the fuck do they tape like this? We got this. We got the bulb, but we're not gonna use this bulb. We're gonna use this one right here from Govee. Focus, focus, focus. Yes, sir. It's one of these. I put the other three in my other room, but yeah, these lights are nice as fuck, you guys. You guys should definitely pick up some of these. Amazon, please sponsor me. That's besides the point, you guys. I'm sure this is pretty self-explanatory. We got a cap right here. Don't know what the hell that's for. The light, little ASMR. Oh, what the fuck? Oh my god, they gave us some fucking nunchucks. Holy shit, this is really gonna be like an easy ass installation. Okay. All we gotta do is screw it in. You don't gotta tell me twice. Oh hell no. I'm gonna skip it once it's done, you guys. Wait a sec, you guys. Wait a sec. There's something heavy underneath the bottom. I thought that was it. Let's see what's digging here real quick. Come on now. Okay. Whoa, this is heavy as hell. Oh my god, that's heavy, bro. Okay, let me time lapse this shit real quick, you guys. Okay, you guys, we got it installed. It's almost as tall as me. It's not tall as me. I am around 6'2", you guys, just for reference. But now it's sturdy pretty much. Oh, what the fuck? Never mind. That motherfucker not going nowhere. Now we gotta install the Govee light. They gave us this light, but nah. It fits with the glass too, you guys. But yeah, we're gonna put it over here in that corner over there. Right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, right there in that corner. Too big or too small? I can't even see. This bitch is out of focus, motherfucker. But it won't fit because it's too big. I'm not stupid. I'm an engineer of getting fat bitches. Oh, that's what the cap was for. Look, you guys, don't forget the cap that goes after the glass, you guys. You put the glass in there first, tying that motherfucker up. If it falls, you guys. It wasn't meant to be. Look at that, you guys. Who's texting me besides my girl? I'd be mad if the audio wasn't recording. Now look at that, you guys. We're too smart, you guys. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look how good it looks, you guys. Woo! Now we gotta connect it. And let's see how it is, you guys. Alright, you guys, moment of truth. Let's turn this motherfucker on. You got the button right there, you guys. You just step on it. Oh my god! Dude, that looks good. I think the glass is a little bit dirty, but that doesn't matter. Who's texting me? Oh, my dad. Oh, shit. Holy shit, you guys. Wow, that looks really good, you guys. Now it's along with the setup. My bad. I don't know what's going on in this room. Oh my god, bro. Let's see. Hello?
Hey, Pedro.
Hey, Mr. Brett, how are you?
Not good at all. I got this.
Bro, look, you guys. So, look. The cool thing about this shit is that you can get an app, right? Let me take this thing off. Right now I have it to orange. Kind of reddish there, though. So, you got this app. I'm sure I showed you guys in the other video before, but yeah. Look, we're going to change it to blue now. Oh my god, this shit looks so dope. White? Damn, that's bright. That's bright as fuck. Can't even see me? Oh, because I have that thing at low because I'm trying to show the color, you guys. But yeah, that's bright, you guys. That's like medium white. It's in like right in the middle. Let's do white. Damn, what the fuck? That's such a fucking nice ass color, you guys. If you ever want to chill with your girl, watch Netflix, chill, make a baby. Let's do a green. If you're more like a earth kind of person, yellow. That's not yellow. What a weird yellow, but oh yeah, there's also things called scenes, you guys. Look, dusk. Put the dusk scene. That does not look like dusk. Starry sky. Let's do festival. My favorite one's no, it's under life, the life category. It's called movie. I thought there was gonna be like an animation for it, but guess not. Let's see, game. Oh, there you go. You see how it's switching colors and shit? That is so dope, you guys. I love this lamp, you guys. Let's turn on all the lights now. Oh my god, you guys. That really is starting to look better, you guys. Let's show this whole setup entirely. Take it off the stand. Oh my god, you guys. Woo, it's starting to look better. Oh yeah, I freaking love that lamp. Got the LED strips. I'm gonna put a poster, like a red light poster. Oh wait, that's all we have. Or not a red light, a black light poster on the wall, so it glows when there's blue light or black light. I don't know what's going on right here, you guys. Got the Minecraft music. You can see how crazy how brighter that display is in that display. That's $500 versus $200. Bought it off 50 bucks off my brother. But yeah, you guys, hope you guys enjoy the video. I try to make it short for you guys. Hope you guys like the video. Take care, you guys.